Okay, today Cam and I are doing the Gross Gummy Candy Lab. Tasty Labs, worms and spiders. He got this for Christmas, so we're going to make some spiders and some worms. Okay, the instructions say to mix half of the packet of the seaweed powder, this is the seaweed powder, with 5 tablespoons of water in a cooking pot. So we need to measure that out first. Okay, we're going to mix half of the packet of the seaweed powder in our mixing cup. Mimi will pour this for us and you can get the water. Okay, it's about 3 tablespoons. Now, okay, hold your spoon out level, like that. Hold it steady. I'm going to pour one for you and you help me count, okay? Hold it over the thing. There we go. Hold it even.
1, 2, 3.
Hold it steady.
4, 5.
Good job. Okay, now we need to stir this up with a wooden spoon.
You did. Oh, dude.
Stir it up with a wooden spoon.
Make some good noise.
Till it's all clear.
Okay, it's clear.
Okay.
Well, it's actually not. Well, it is clear.
Okay, we need to heat this up over the stove until it foams up. And then we bring it off of here, bring it over here, and add in our flavor. Now, do you want green apple or mixed berry?
Berry.
Mixed berry. Okay, we'll get that ready to stir in. Now we got to mix this up over the stove. Now the adults need to do this. And we heat this over medium-high until it foams up. And we stir it constantly.
Cool.
Okay, it's beginning to foam up. Take your spoon and dip in there and get 5. 1. Okay, put it in there.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
It's turning red.
Yeah, and we got to put about half
It's magic.
of it in there.
It's
So
magic.
or do we put the whole packet in there?
I don't. It says.
Oh, you have to put the whole thing in there.
Cool.
Okay, here, put the rest of it in
I
there.
think that's how.
Good job. Pour it in there and then stir it.
I did.
Now stir it and see what it does.
Turning red.
It's turning red.
Oh, it's still being purple, actually.
Purplish. It's mixed berry, so it should be kind of purplish red, shouldn't it? Does it smell good?
That makes no. I can't smell it because of the heat.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll smell it later when it cools.
It looks cool.
Okay, now we put it back on the heat and stir it up until it foams again. It says it should not be jelly-like, so it said to add a little bit more water if it's a little thick. Alrighty, we've added a little more water. And now we just need to stir it. Stirring constantly. Now, adults have to do this part. Kids can't do this part. But they can definitely help you measure it out and pour it into the mold with adult supervision, of course. Alrighty, looking good, and it smells good too. Okay, I think it's time to take off the stove now. It's foamed up. Okay, now it says to pour it into the mold using a spoon. So let's get this spoon here. We'll pour it into, first of all, the spider molds. Steaming up the camera a little bit.
Honey
You have to let adults do this part because at this point it's very hot, isn't it, Cameron? But adults can help you do it. Okay, how many spiders is there, Cam? How many spiders are we making? Can you count them?
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 spiders. Very good.
Wait, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's
Very good. Okay, let's count and see how many worms we've got to make. Can you count them?
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 and this is 6.
Good
6
job.
is more than 5. Hooray.
Right, so you have one more spider than you do the worms, correct? All right, let's start putting this. Okay, we're putting them in the worm molds. The adults are doing this. And the kids are safely away watching. Alrighty. And this is what our mold looks like. And now the instructions say to put it in the refrigerator. Okay, now the instructions say to put it in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes. And then use a toothpick to remove them from the mold. Let them air dry on a plate for a few hours. And then you can put them in the plastic baggies that are with the kit to give out to your friends and family. Okay, now we take the toothpick and we gently lift them up. Okay, now take your finger.
I can't do it.
Here, you got it, and then just pull it off.
Yeah.
What's it look like? Oh, that's cool. But, oh, you're gonna eat it already?
Okay, 4th one. Now the spiders.
That's gross.
The spiders scored.
Oh, the spiders look cool.
Spiders.
Turn them over so you can see them. They're upside down. You gotta turn them over. Good job,
If you
Cam.
could just see the spiders.
Oh, the spiders look cool too.
Oh, that's cool.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this. Gonna eat a spider for real.
You're gonna eat a spider for real?
It's a real spider. It's a real spider. This one doesn't look good. It's stuck to the toothpick. If you just make a little hole in it and pick it up, it's a lot easier.
Oh, okay.
So you can drop it, and then you can fix it. So I got this one out the same way. So just try to get them out the same way. Ah, come on. Ugh.
Ooh, they're so gross.
Because they're worms. That's how they are. They're worms.
And worms
Oh,
are
this
gross.
one's sticky.
Worms are gross, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they feel like that too in real life.
Yeah.
Good job, Cam. All right, those turned out great. Gummy, gummy, gummy. In my tummy, tummy, tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy, tummy, tummy.
Yummy,
Gross.
yummy, yummy. The ones